Hi everybody and welcome. Today we have the software called SureTriggers, and this is the best all-in-one auto workflow automation platform. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So jumping onto the platform here, as you can see, we have currently a dashboard, and the best thing about this platform is if you want to create, like for example, integrated workflows, you can do that as well. So you have your create a blueprint website. If you want to do that, you can easily manage that, and you have much more workflow startups. Now on the top right side of the screen, you can see we have this create a workflow option. So whether you would like to go with from scratch or create with AI, that is the option as well. So if we click on create with AI, we are going to be simply type it in here the prompt that we would like to go for with, and eventually it is going to be using the AI to get started with our workflow.